delayed for an hour. What's in your makeup bag?
So I have my deodorant.
Yeah.
Essential kasi mag-beach tayo. Ito.
Hindi pwedeng mawala. Yan.
Hindi pwedeng mawala. Boyfriend blush.
From
Keto sponsored ha, pero Hikari Skin.
Floss.
Plus
Medicine.
medicine.
Yeah, and prep.
Vietnamese coffee.
Pati Vietnamese coffee ka dyan?
Ewan ko. Aloe vera.
Yeah, same.
Ito po ang aming team. Kasalukuyan po tayo. Nandito na po tayo sa aeroplano. Masakay na po ang aming team. Opo, yan po.
Hello everyone, this is Anna and together the cabin crew. We thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of it.
Ganito para pag-isa sale. Mainit, maingay, mabulong.
At least may apaw.
True. Ano nangyari sa Cebu Pacific?
We're very disappointed.
I know I'm hot, but the airplane should not.
The airplane is hotter.
We're now here at Puerto Princesa and we're going to El Nido later. Vlog siya. Hello.
Hi, vlog. Siyempre ako. Ayan, 1, 2, 3.
We're here nasa El Nido. We just landed a while ago. So we traveled almost 6 hours, I guess. Yeah, so medyo masakit ang puwet. Daig pa ang pinuwet. So we're now finding some restaurant to eat for lunch. Yeah, see you later guys.
Kaya ko kasi yung kalakihan. Hindi ko.
Look at the view, guys. And the view. Shit! Ang ina, parang nililibukan sila sa akin.
Tama ka dito, Sai.
Guys, it's day 2 today and we're heading to the port for island hopping. Yeah, island tour then. So look at our fit. Is it fitting or no?
Snatch ba?
Yeah. See you later guys. Bye. Spooky agad. Day 2 pa lang.
Dumidilaw yung upuan.
Okay?
Hi guys, we're here at 7 Commandos Beach at El Nido. So we're currently having our photo shoot. Yeah, katapos namin mag-shoot for our Instagram.
Yes, for the
and don't forget to like our photos kasi dai ang mahal, tangina, like nyo to. Tapos yung pera 2K, yung likes 27. Charot. So yeah.
Walking back over here, right?
Tapos ang background music ay Maria Clara. Yan guys. Kita ba ako ate?
BMF kayo. Kami dyan. Kaya kasi kayo magsalubong.
Ay! What the Charot. Ganito lang. Rock formation lang. Oh, we're scared. We're scared, guys. So, we rented na magsasagwan for us. And that's Kuya. Thank you, Kuya, sa pagsasagwan. Si Siren. Hindi, nasa likod ni Siren. May nagsasagwan sa amin. Kasi, we don't know kung paano. And mabigat kami. So, malaki yung boat na kinuha namin. Masang mukha. Portrait ko. Hello guys. So, we are now here at the hotel after the tour. And it was so fun and tiring. But, look at my skin, oh. Like, parang happy niya. Para akong may sunburn, guys. And I'm so very, very tired. But I enjoyed the trip. Medyo magastos lang si Bakala, pero na-enjoy naman niya. Sinulit niya. Guys, so, at wala palang kuryente ngayon dito sa Palawan. So, oh my God, ano gagawin natin for today? Walang kuryente. Kaya, buhay ang generator ng kabila. Look, guys. Bago kumain, syempre. Hi, cutie. Hi, it's a beautiful day today, El Nido. So, shit, tuloy ka dyan, Siren. Bravo. Wow! Bilis ako lang. Hello! Ay! Ganda namin. Kuya, wait lang! Oh, ganda kami dyan. Ay! Go na din! Hi guys! It's day 3 today and we're here at Leo Beach. So medyo malayo siya dun sa pinagstayan namin. So we rented a motor para mas mabilis yung transportation. And this is my second time pa lang na mag-drive. So si Bakla medyo mabagal mag-drive, ganyan. And may color code kami for today. Green. So look at us. Look at our OOTDs. We have a touch of green sa mga damit. Oh, puto! Shit! Pagdating sa kanya, walang problema nila. Parang... Guys, I have story time. Pero sana hindi niya ito mapansin. Pero baka kasi dumaan sa ano niya, newsfeed niya. So, we saw earlier. And then, he thought na nag-video kami sa kanya. Pero, hindi naman. Hawak ang nung kasama ko yung phone niya. I-judge na. Sabi niya, believe, ikakat. Sabi niya, nakita ko kasi nag-video kayo. Ayoko nang nag-video ka habang may kausap. Feeling!
Makakancel.
Akala niya sobrang sikat niya. Hello.
Hello, sinerch pa nga ng isa namin kasama.
Hindi niyo ba alam guys, yung girl na naano sa kanya na link, na ano namin sa influencer niya. Mabait naman siya, Englishera, gano'n. Or intimidating. Yeah. Akala niya sobrang sikat niya, like, hello. Actually, sabi siya nagpa-picture, sabi niya, I know you guys. So we're done here at Leo Beach. So our next stop is Vanilla Beach. Ako beach ng beach. Vanilla Beach. Yan, para hindi mo sa mga ugali. So ayan, so tapos na kayo mag-shoot ng aming OOTD. So If we posted it, don't forget to like, guys. Wow! So we're here now at
Manila Beach.
Manila Beach, and we're surprised, guys, because what? Mga tao dito pala, day. Homophobic.
Huwag mo namang i-generalize.
Ay, hindi ba? Basta,
isang family
isang
lang.
family lang.
Yeah.
There's one family here right beside of our, anong sinabi nila? What's their quotable quotes, babe?
Bawal ang bakla dito.
Okay.
Magpakalalaki ka.
Yeah.
And masasapak ko yun.
Yeah, and also, ay, Vice ganda. Oh my God. Look, oh, kalawang kapal ang buhok niya. Teka. Sila, guys, oh.
Daddy Rogue!
Lalaking manipis ang buhok. What the fuck? Kasarap. Matapang siya. Naka-brief siya. Hi guys, it's already 2 AM and we're currently bar hopping. So we came from what bar is it? Amigo.
Yeah.
So puro foreigner doon and mainit siya since walang aircon. And now we're heading to Gusto, which is a bar with aircon. Ang sweet naman po niya. Ang sweet po niya, guys. Pinag-aalis po niya ako ng bracelet. Thank you so much, babe, for the love and support of the Filipino people. Good night! Guys, talo man po kami sa mga ladyboy ng El Nido. West, tomorrow, luluhod ang mga apam sa amin. Guys, bye guys, good night. It's another day tomorrow. And we're having a land tour naman.
No, tour B.
Gago.
Dahan-dahan lang.
Basa, parang basa.
Nagdikit-dikit na yung wig.
Nakakonekta ba kayo?
Go!
Content muna bago kain. So we're done eating, guys. We're here at Kala. Hi, SG Hotel. Thank you for 4-night, 5-day of stay. Kahit napakadumi mo. Siniraan. Bye!
Bye! Ang alikabok mo!
We'll surely miss this. Charet! Tapos na po ang botokan. Heading back to Manila.